What's up guys, Mario Vergel here. Welcome back for another video. Hope you've all had a great weekend. Mine has been pretty good so far. I actually just got back from a nice little 2-day vacation I had with the family. So for today's video, I wanted to give you guys an update on the M3. I actually got my first mods installed this week. I had to turn the car around the garage to give you guys the better lighting, so let's check them out. Alright, so the first thing I got done in the car was actually the 15mm wheel spacers. I actually got them on all 4 wheels, which is actually the same setup I had on my previous M3. I feel like it does give it a nice little aggressive look on the car. They do fit very well. As you can see, the tire is now just a little bit outside of the fender. Front wheel, it does fit right in. I'm sorry, I know it's a little bit dark on this side of the garage, but as you can see, the wheels do fit right in. So to show you guys which ones I got, I actually ordered them from Vergel Tuning. Still got the boxes. These are 15mm. They do come in multiple boxes because I had to order for both sets of tires. They do include extended wheel bolts, which are very much needed on wheel spacers. Overall, like I said, I'm very happy with how well the car looks. So the spacers, I did not install them myself. I actually took it to a buddy of mine who's a tech for BMW. He did a great job. His Instagram name is ThatTechMario, so anybody who's a local here in South Florida, Miami area, he's open for any type of installations and all that, so he does a great job, very professional. So Mario, if you're watching this, thank you very much. I love how the car looks now. So the next thing I did on the M3 was also change the quad exhaust tips. These are from Vergel Tuning as well. As you can see, they're a lot bigger compared to the stock exhaust tips, which I still have them as well, and I'm going to show you guys right now exactly how much bigger these are. All right, so here I have a stock exhaust tip. As you can see, it's quite a big difference. These, I believe, are called the BMS exhaust tips. They are slip-ons, very easy to install. Now I can honestly say I really like how well these turned out. I feel like they do give it a nice little aggressive look on the rear end of the car. They do not affect the sound of the car whatsoever. They're not going to make it sound deeper or anything like that, but like I said, they do look more aggressive. Now I do not know how well they will fit when I actually add a rear diffuser on the car, but I'll just keep you guys updated on that. Alright, so those are the first mods I got done on the M3. I know it's nothing too crazy, they're not that big of a deal, but I mean, we all got to start somewhere, right? So thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, please subscribe. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all have a great night.